Now we have a cubic equation, and suppose we have three roots, which are alpha, beta, and gamma. So these are three roots. Then we can rewrite the equation as x minus alpha times x minus beta times x minus gamma equal to 0. Because these are roots, right? Then I multiply these two out first. So this one is equal to x squared minus uh, alpha x times beta x and plus alpha beta. Then times x minus gamma equal to 0. Then we multiply this and that out. It becomes x cubed and minus gamma x squared minus alpha. Then times alpha alpha gamma x, right, minus beta x squared plus beta gamma x plus alpha beta x minus alpha beta gamma equal to 0. Then I collected lighter terms and I simplify. It becomes x cubed minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x squared. So this one, and that one. Then plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma x. Right? And finally, alpha beta and gamma equal to 0. Now we compare this and with the given equation, we will see that b over a will be equal to this number, negative alpha plus beta plus gamma. And c over a will be equal to this, plus gamma plus alpha gamma. And d over a is negative alpha, beta, and gamma. So this is actually showing the relation between roots and the coefficients of a cubic equation in general. See, this is what I want to say, that in a polynomial equation, the coefficient and the roots, they are related. This is a relation for the cubic. And you can develop for the quartic, even quintic, and so on. Okay. With this, and we can calculate some interesting questions. Okay. For example, uh, this is the equation: 3x cubed minus 4x squared plus 8x minus 7 equal to 0. And we have three roots, alpha, beta, and gamma. And suppose that S sub n is equal to alpha n beta to the power n plus gamma to the power n. And we are looking for find S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, and so on. And also we can find S negative 1, S negative 2, and so on. So, in other words, through the relation between coefficients and the roots, we can find those values. Let me do one by one. Okay. If first, how do we find S2? Well, S2. Now, according to the relation, we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma is to be negative 4 over 3, right? This one becomes 4 over 3. Okay? And alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to 8 over 3. Yeah. And alpha beta gamma is equal to negative 7 over 3. It's negative, so let's go to this. So once with these, we can find those values as listed. Now let me start with S2. Well, how do we find S2? This is the way, okay? Alpha plus beta plus gamma square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. So when you expand this trinomial, then you get this, right? So this one is equal to S2. This is S2. This is S2, right? This is N. And minus 2 plus 2 of 8 over 3. Right? This means this is what? This is therefore 4 over 4 thirds square is equal to S2 plus 16 over 3. So we can find S2. So S2 is a negative 32 over 9. See? We find a value. Now also we have different ways to find S2. And this is the other way. Now, suppose we let y equal to x square, then x is equal to the square root y. Then we substitute this one into the given equation. So this means 3 y 3 halves minus 4y minus plus 8y square root minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, then we simplify this equation by 3y plus 8y square root is equal to 4y plus 7. This means is y square root 3y plus 8 is equal to 4y plus 7. Then we square in both sides. Square in both sides, we have a y and a 9y square plus 48 y plus 64 is equal to, this is square, is equal to 16 square plus 56 y plus 49. So we simplify to have a new cubic equation, which is a 9y cubed plus 32y square minus this, minus 49 equals 0. From this, we know that this equation has 3 roots. This equation has 3 roots. This root is equal to alpha square, beta square, and gamma square, right? So in other words, this equation has a this root, and that root. Why? Because y equals x squared. See, x having 3 roots, so x alpha, beta, and gamma. So y for this equation, these are 3 roots. And therefore r squared plus this square plus gamma square is equal to negative 32 over 9 b over a. Negative, that is exactly the same answer. Okay, and we have even more methods to find out. So let me find, say, first s sub, find s sub negative 1. So that is this 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta plus 1 over gamma. Right? Now, 1 over this, 1 over gamma is equal to alpha, beta, and gamma. This is a beta plus alpha, yes, plus alpha, beta, right? They are equal. And according to this relation that alpha, beta, gamma equal to 7 over 3. And this one is equal to 8 over 3. Therefore, my S sub 1 is equal to 8 over 7. Okay. So that is S sub 1. Yeah. So S sub negative 1 is this. Now, our given equation is this. This is the equation. We know that this equation x is not 0, so we can divide by both sides by x. This will be 3x squared minus 4x plus 8 minus 7 over x equal to 0, right? Because x is not 0, so we can divide. Then, because this equation has 3 roots, alpha, beta, and gamma, therefore 3 alpha squared minus 4 alpha plus 8 minus 7 over alpha equal to 0. And the same time that we can replace x by beta, it's also true because beta is a root. 4 beta plus 8 minus 7 over beta equal to 0. So is this when x placed by gamma. This is 4 gamma plus 8 minus 7 over gamma equal to 0. So when you add up these left-hand side, so we have a 3, this plus this one is S2. This one plus this one is S1. This is 24. This one is minus 7 over S negative 1 equal to 0. Since S1 is this, right? S1 is equal to 4 over 3. So 4 over 3 plus 24 minus 7. S negative 3 is 8 over 7. 8 over 7. And from this, we can find S2 now. S2 is equal to negative 32 over 9. Okay, we can also find S2. So, well, we have 3 methods now. We have 3 methods to find S2. So, it's a very interesting that with this basic relation, we can find whatever we want, you know. We can find. So we find this one. We find this one. Now, how do we find S3? Well, S3. How to find S3? This is the equation given one. We multiply this one by x, both sides. So we have a 3x. No. Now we don't. Okay. We replace x by alpha because alpha is a root. Therefore, 3 alpha cubed minus 4 alpha square plus 8 alpha minus 7 equal to 0, right? Because alpha is a root. So is beta. 4 beta square plus 8 beta minus 7 equal to 0. And so is gamma. minus 4 gamma squared plus 8 gamma minus 7 equal to 0. Then we add up the left-hand side and both sides and then right-hand side, right? This is equal to 3s3. This is s3s. This is 4s2. This is plus 8s1 minus 21 equal to 0. And this means 3s1 minus 4s2. S2 is negative 32 over 9 plus 8s1. What's s1? S1 is negative, S1 is 4 over 3. So 4 over 3 minus 21 equal to 0. So we can find S3. Yeah. Well, let me calculate, omit calculations. So S3 is equal to, well, what's X3? Well, S3 is equal to negative 35 over 27. Right, just a simple arithmetics. Now we can, well, we can find S4. Well, similarly, the S4. Let me find. Well, this is the equation. This is the equation. We multiply by x both sides, so we have a 3x fourth minus 4s x3 plus 8x squared minus 7x equal to 0. Right? Then we substitute alpha, beta, and gamma. So we have a 3 alpha fourth minus 4 alpha 3 plus 8 alpha square minus 7 alpha equal to 0, right? Because alpha is a root, and so is beta. 4 beta plus 8 beta square minus 7 beta 3 gamma 4 gamma q plus 8 gamma square minus 7 gamma equal to 0. And then we add up both sides. So this will be, this add up to S4 minus F3 and plus 8S2 minus 7S1, right? And we all know that we know S1, we know S1, we know S2, we know S3, so we can find S4. So yeah, S4 is equal to 880 over. And similarly, we can find S, and so we can find S5. Well, S5 is equal to quite a big number. You can verify it, and so you can find S6. It's a negative 13949. Well, we can find more, even if you want. Now, how about S negative 2? For this, you can play whatever you want. If I want S negative, if I want this, I just simply divide by, no, this is the equation. We divide by x squared, both sides, right? Because x is not 0. So we have 3x minus 4 plus 8 over x minus 7x squared. We divide by x squared, both sides. We have this. Then we add up, we put alpha, beta, gamma into it. So that we have this equation, right? 3s1 minus 12 plus 8s negative 1 minus 7s negative 2. So we know this, we know that, we know we can find this. Right? So s negative 2, yeah, is equal to 8 over 49. And so on. Well, what I want to say is that once you have a basic, relation, that is this, between the roots and the coefficients for the cubic equation, we can find whatever you want, for those things. Now, I'm here just discuss about the cubic equation. You can discuss for quartic, quintic, or even more. Well, it's rather interesting.